So a self-analysis is gonna be your first step. Start to look at you, look at the business. Then you gotta bring some energy. You gotta change your attitude. Your mind doesn't know the difference between something actually happening and something imagined vividly in great detail. It's gonna make you right every time. If you don't believe this, how many of you said bad things happen in threes? Or your mom and grandma said, bad things happen in threes. Anybody had that mom and grandma? And all of a sudden, 1, 2, 3, 4, they kept coming. And you know what you said, Jeremy? See, I knew I was right. I knew it was gonna be one of those days. Here's my question. What'd you ever get for being right? I'm right all the time. I think I am. At least my kids think that I think I am. I haven't gotten anything. So if you got something, let me in on this, because I want to get something too. So reality is, it's about that energy. Every single day I wake up, I say the same exact thing. I say I'm a healthy, vital, active, happy, and successful human being. I affirm today that all tissues and organs in my body are functioning perfectly, and that's the way it's supposed to be. I am more relaxed than before because I choose peaceful, loving thoughts and release my fears, worries, and anxieties. Tension is gone because I'm creating an atmosphere of ease and confidence. My mind is uncluttered because I've set specific goals and planned action steps for their accomplishment. I feel better now. Nature uses the food that I eat, the air that I breathe, the water that I drink, and the rest that I get to rebuild, repair, and revitalize me for the future. Radiant energy flows through me. I also affirm today that money is plentiful and in abundant supply, and this money flows freely and constantly into my life as I render loving service to all mankind. What do you say? Because the way you start your day determines your whole day. The way you think determines how your outcome's going to be. So you gotta start focusing on your brain, on how you're thinking.